Hello ladies and gentlemen, Jazstretto here from Jazstretto. Let's play here today to do a different kind of video. I haven't done one of these before, but I've been wanting to. I have in front of me a LootCrate box. I've been getting LootCrate for years now. I think it's about time I do one of these. I haven't done one of these before. Tons of stuff in my room. I might show you later on, I don't know. But anyway, this is my latest LootCrate box. Not that long ago. So let's open this thing up and actually see what I got. Go! Right. What do I have inside? Box. Always with a t-shirt. T-shirt do I have this time? Oh, Venom. Very nice. Very cool. What else? One of these ones, an artist series. LootCrate artist series. I've got a few of these boxes. I haven't opened them yet, but I do have a few in my room. Of the alien walking dog. Oh, well, it looks like a dog, but it's one of the face grabber things. It's interesting. What else do I have in here? What is this? Let's pull it out and have a look. What's to do with Predator? Is this for? But first bit of loot gear I ever had, I have no idea what the hell it's for. Wait. I hate when things are not folded. Looks like another little book. I want to believe aliens. Woo! Let's open this and have a look. What do we have here? Oh, it's a little note. I've got a few of these, but more always comes in handy, especially for taking notes, especially for YouTube and other things. Of course, I got my loot pin, which is one of the face grabber aliens from Alien. And last but not least, we have the information card, of course. So, of course, for September 2018, of course, I got the shirt, got the Alien Next Door Artist Series figure. Oh, it's a bandana. Ah, so that's what that is. That's that camo thing here. Here. Come here. That's what this thing is. It's a bandana. Ah. X-Files journal. Cool. And of course the alien face hugger. That's what those things are called. A face hugger. Pin. Very interesting. Anyway guys, that ends this part of the video, unless you want to have a look at the box. All sorts of weird wonderful alien stuff on there, which I find pretty cool. Anyway guys, that ends this short video. I will see you guys next time. Until then, this is Jazstretto saying see you later on Jazstretto. Let's play!